the long A sound is made different ways. AY makes an A sound. A with the silent E at the end makes a long A sound. AI together makes a long A sound. And sometimes A by itself also makes the long A sound. Now to figure out which one it is when you're writing a word or even reading a word, you have to think about some rules. So if you hear the AY at the end of a word, you might want to try spelling the word first using the AY. So let's say I have the word way, like that you are going the wrong way. I'm going to sound it out, and since I hear that A at the end, A, I'm going to try that word with an AY at the end. Way. Heard it at the end? So this word is spelled with an AY at the end. Now let's say I want to say ways. I think about that base word, way, and then I add my S, ways. Because S is the extra ending, I'm thinking about the base word first, way. Hear the A at the end, and then I add the S. So ways is spelled with an AY at the end of the word, because I heard the long A at the end of the word. Another rule you want to keep in mind is you should listen for patterns you know, like the AIN pattern or the AIK pattern. AIN has the AI together making the long A sound. AIK has the A with an E at the back helping it make the long A sound. So you can think about some of those word families you might know. Let's start with the word make. That's part of the AIK family. So when I write it, it's AIK. And I know that's part of the AIK family, so I know there's an A with an E at the silent E at the back helping the A say its own name. So that one is made with the A and the silent E. Let's try another one. How about the word main, like the main character? Let's say I'm not quite sure. I know it's part of a pattern, but I don't know if it's the pattern with an A and a silent E, or if it's the pattern with the A and the I together. So a good way to find out is to check them both. So I want to write the word main, like main character. I'm going to start with my A and silent E. A, N, and my E is on the back to help my A say its own name. Now I'm going to try the other way. A, heard the A in the middle, there's the A sound, ain, main. Now let's say I'm thinking about how I would read it in a book. If I'm talking about main character, this one looks like the correct way to spell main, or the main idea. So I know that this way, this main, with that meaning is spelled with an AI, making the long A sound. Let's try another one. Let's say I want to write the word mistake. I hear that ache sound at the end, part of that pattern that I know. So now I'm going to try that word, and I'm going to write it with the A and the silent E. Ache. Have that ache at the back, just like I had in this pattern that I knew. Mistake. And now check. Is that how I would read it in a book? I'm thinking, yes, that is. So now I know that one is made with the A and the silent E.